Palmer Luckey, the guy who invented the Oculus VR headset and then sold it to Facebook for $2 billion, just created what might be the most unconventional job interview in tech history. His defense company Anduril has launched something called the AI Grand Prix, a drone racing competition where software programmers compete and the grand prize isn't money. It's a job. That's right. Instead of submitting a resume, you fly autonomous drones against other programmers, and if you win, you get hired at one of the fastest growing defense contractors in America. Let me give you some context on who's behind this. Anduril Industries is a defense technology company that Palmer Luckey founded back in 2017 after leaving Facebook. The company specializes in autonomous military systems, drones that fly themselves using AI rather than being remotely piloted by humans. They've landed massive contracts, including a $642 million deal with the U.S. Navy and a $250 million drone defense system contract with the Pentagon. Luckey himself is now worth about $3.5 billion. So what exactly is the AI Grand Prix? It's a race series specifically designed for software programmers who build autonomous systems. Competitors don't manually fly the drones. They write the code that makes the drones fly themselves. The drones have to navigate courses, make split-second decisions, and outperform other competitors' code. And here's the twist that makes this so unusual. The winners don't walk away with a cash prize or a trophy. They walk away with job offers at Anduril. This is basically a public job interview disguised as a sporting event. This signals something bigger happening in tech hiring. In emerging fields like autonomous systems, robotics, and AI, traditional credentials are becoming less relevant. A computer science degree from a top school doesn't necessarily mean you can make a drone navigate a complex environment autonomously. But if your code wins a race against 100 other programmers, that proves something a resume never could. It's also a brilliant marketing move for a defense contractor. Anduril has historically had to compete for talent against Google, Meta, and other big tech companies. By turning recruitment into a public spectacle, something dramatic and visual, they're generating buzz and positioning themselves as the exciting, unconventional option. The company is essentially saying, we don't care where you went to school or what your LinkedIn looks like. Show us what you can build. Keep an eye on whether other companies copy this model. If Anduril successfully recruits top autonomous systems talent through gamified competitions, expect robotics companies, AI labs, and maybe even traditional tech giants to experiment with similar approaches. Also watch Anduril itself. They're expanding with a major new campus in Long Beach, California that will eventually support 5,500 jobs. This drone racing contest might just be the beginning of a completely new recruiting playbook for the autonomous systems industry. The future of hiring might look a lot more like a competition and a lot less like a job interview. If you want to stay on top of stories like this, where AI, robotics, and tech intersect in unexpected ways, subscribe to the channel. We break down what's actually happening in tech so you don't miss the trends that matter. See you in the next one.